Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about a moment that just changed everything. The day the most powerful AI on the planet was basically given away for free to 1 billion people. We're going to break down how we got here and what it means now that the doors have been kicked wide open. Right now, there are over 1 billion people using AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini. I mean, that's just a wild number, but it brings up a really important question. What kind of AI have they actually been using all this time? And the answer for pretty much everyone was a big, fat no. Not even close. See, the most powerful stuff, the really good AI, was kept behind a wall, available only to a tiny few. For the last few years, the world of AI has basically been like a nightclub with a very exclusive VIP room. You had the free version that everyone could get into, and then you had the cutting-edge, super powerful AI inside, behind a velvet rope. So what that meant for most people, the free users, is that you were stuck with the older, less powerful models. But inside that VIP room, paying customers had access to the reasoners. These are the AIs that can solve really complex problems. But here's the kicker. Even among the people who were paying to get into the VIP room, almost nobody was using the best tools. According to OpenAI, less than 1 out of 10 paying customers were regularly using their top-tier models. So even they were missing out. But then, boom, everything changed. 2 huge things happened, and the first one is all about the money. The price of pure intelligence just started to completely crater. Just look at this. A couple of years ago, using the top AI cost about $50 for a certain amount of work. Today, that same amount of work costs 14 cents. This isn't just a price drop, it's a total demolition of the price. And here's the most important part. You are paying pennies for an AI that is way smarter and more capable than the one that used to cost a small fortune. It's cheaper and it's better, a lot better. So how is that even possible? Well, it's all about a revolution in efficiency. These things have gotten so much better at using energy. A single question to one of these top AIs now uses about the same amount of power as a simple Google search. That's what makes it possible to just give it away. Okay, so that incredible drop in cost was the first major shift. The second one is just as big. They got rid of the instruction manual. The complexity barrier that kept normal people from getting good results, it's been completely torn down. You don't have to be a prompt engineer anymore. You don't have to learn some secret language to trick the AI into giving you what you want. You can just ask in normal, everyday language. Let me show you what I mean. A user uploaded a photo of the Apollo 11 crew in a tuxedo and then just gave Google's new image AI the super simple command. No special tricks, just do this. And wow, look at the results. The AI just did it, almost perfectly. It even added these incredible little details like the folds in the fabric and a NASA pin on his lapel. It just understood the assignment. Okay, so that was pretty simple. But what happens if you get weird with it? What if you give it a totally bizarre, complicated request? With astronauts and trumpets and nervous hamburger eating and a laptop using Otter. And there you go. The AI just does it. It creates the exact strange scene you asked for. It even nails the details, like Buzz Aldrin's nervous expression. It handles the crazy, complex stuff just as easily as the simple stuff. It's incredible. So you have this perfect storm, right? An unbelievably powerful AI that is now super cheap and super easy to use. Well, that has kicked off this huge planetary scale experiment that we're going to call the era of mass intelligence. And the thing is, we don't have to guess what happens. We're living it right now. And it's not neat and tidy. It's messy. It's a chaotic, simultaneous explosion of amazing opportunities and some really, really serious challenges. And it is all happening at the exact same time. For every person using AI to help cure disease, someone else is using it to cheat on their homework. It's being used to launch new companies and to write obituaries. We are seeing the full, messy spectrum of humanity just amplified. All of this brings us to the real, fundamental challenge of this new era. It's not actually about the tech itself. It's about the world that this technology just broke. This quote from a researcher named Ethan Mullick absolutely nails it. Think about it. Our entire society, our schools, our legal system, our jobs, everything was built on one core assumption. that high-level intelligence is rare and therefore expensive. Well, that assumption just isn't true anymore.
So, that's the question we're all facing right now. The old world was built on scarcity. We now live in an era of mass intelligence, where powerful thinking is abundant and basically free. The old rulebook is gone. So, what do we build next?